Welcome to my video. Grab a cup of tea or coffee, a snack, sit back and enjoy. As requested, here is a flip through of my updated 2020 insert. I've really enjoyed what this journal has helped create in me. It's encouraged me to slow down, to listen, to live simply, even in times where I'm stressing and doubting my capabilities. It's made me think that maybe I was assigned these mountains to show others that they can be moved. In the middle of uncertainty, I honestly feel like I've fallen back in love with Jesus. So this journal holds a little more than just my weekly plans. Today, I'll be creating a new collection, my natural cleaning products. There will be more to come, so stay connected for future episodes. One thing I love about Cody is that he gives a new angle on whatever I'm focusing on, even if it's a journal spread. The first recipe is a daily sink and toilet spray. All you need is 500 ml of white vinegar and 6 drops of tea tree oil. Now, I quadrupled the original recipe of this air freshener, so don't worry if it seems excessive. 500 ml of distilled water, 24 drops of eucalyptus oil, 24 drops of lavender oil, and 8 drops of tea tree oil. We'll make the sink and toilet spray first. First, pour in the white vinegar, followed by the tea tree. Then shake like crazy. Same deal with the air freshener. Pour the distilled water first, then the oils, then shake, shake, shake. Trying out these simple DIY recipes really made me think of how much we overcomplicate a lot of areas in our lives. And that even though undoing those unnecessary added extras takes time, research and effort, it brings peace and simplicity to our day. Label time. All I used was my brown craft wrapping paper, some scissors, sticky tape, and my handy dandy stamps. I really enjoyed making the labels and I loved how they turned out. I want to find more tasks or hobbies in the future that help simplify things instead of overwhelm and complicate. I dream of a day where I won't need to fret if my little ones get into my cleaning cupboard. I might even recruit them to help clean up. I covered it with some sticky tape so they became waterproof. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this video inspired you. Have a blessed week.